Fold both the legs together. Bring the heels close to the hips. They should touch the hips. Now place both the hands in 180 degrees. Keeping the hands in 180 degrees in stretch position. Inhaling, turn the legs towards the right, head towards the left, left ear on the floor. Now, with left knee, try to press the right knee, left heel pressing the right heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction, as if you are extracting the water from wet towel. Feel the stretch at the left side, at abdomen area. Exhaling, come to center. Check the position of the heels. Inhaling, turn the legs towards left, head towards right, right ear on the floor. Now try to press the left knee with right knee, left heel with right heel. Twist yourself. All abdominal organs will get torn up. Excess fat at the sides, abdomen area will reduce. Exhaling, come to center. Now keep 1 feet distance between both the heels, also heels and the hips. Adjust the legs. Now inhaling, turn the legs towards right, head towards left. Now adjust the legs so that left knee should land close to the right heel. Both the knees on the floor. If you cannot place knees on the floor, try to place the left knee on the right heel. Try to twist yourself in opposite direction. If you can place both the knees on the floor, excellent. Try to achieve that with the practice. If not today, after some time you will be able to do it. Exhaling, come to center. Adjust the position of your heels. Inhaling, turn the legs towards left, head towards right. Now right knee should touch the left heel. Both the knees on the floor. If you cannot place the right knee on the floor, try to place on the left heel. Twist yourself. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Straighten the legs, keep the hands in 180 degrees. Make sure hands are in 180 degrees and stretched position. Now lift the right leg to 45 degrees. Make sure knee straight, toe in stretching position. Inhaling, bring the right leg towards the left hand, right ear on the floor. Bring the right feet closer to the left hand, left palm, as close as possible. Make sure your knee is straight, toe is in stretching position. Exhaling, slowly come to previous position, 45 degrees. Now rotate the right leg clockwise. Make a bigger circle towards the right. When the heel coming closer to the floor, gently touch the floor and immediately take it up. Make a bigger circle. Try to rotate at least 5 rotations clockwise, 5 rotations anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Make a bigger circle. Excess fat at the thighs will reduce. Relax the right leg. Make sure your hands are in 180 degrees and stretched. Now lift the left leg to 45 degrees, keeping the toe in stretching position, knee straight. Inhaling, Bring the right leg towards the right hand. Sorry, left leg towards the right hand. Left ear on the floor. Bring the left feet closer to the right palm. As close as possible, up to your capacity. Exhaling, slowly come to previous position, keeping leg in 45 degrees. Now, rotate the left leg clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. Make a bigger circle towards the left. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Now, lift both the legs to 90 degrees together. Knee straight, toe in stretching position. Inhaling, take both the legs towards right on the floor. Left ear on the floor. Legs towards right and head towards left. Relatively easy. Exhaling, bring the legs towards 90 degrees. Inhaling, stretch them and bring towards left. Head towards right. Now exhaling, come to center. Keeping both the legs together. Toes in stretching position. Now rotate both the legs together clockwise 5 times. Make a bigger circle. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Make a bigger circle. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Relax. Keep the hands in 180 degrees. Just relax the legs. Normalize the breath. Now, alternatively lift the legs up to 75 degrees and bring them down. They should cross at the 45 degrees angle. Alternatively, lift them up and down. Do it at least 5-6 times. Slowly come, bring them down. Normalize the breath. Now, lift them to 45 degrees. Now do a scissoring at 45 degrees. Right leg goes down once and left leg goes down once. Just do a scissoring. Exhaling, bring the legs down. Normalize the hands along with the body. Now, relax in Savasana. Keep comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Fingers loose but straight. Palms looking up. Eyes gently closed. Normalize the breath. Now, start scanning the relaxed body with mental eye. Each and every part of the body. Scan with your mental eye. Appreciate them. Appreciate each part of the body that they are helping you every minute. Start scanning from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toes, and vice versa.